Question 1. What is the primary purpose of home insurance? Option A. To cover vehicle repairs. Option B. To protect the home against covered losses. Option C. To pay utility bills. Option D. To finance home purchases. Correct option is to protect a home against covered losses. Question 2. Which event is commonly covered under a standard home insurance policy? Option A. Normal wear and tear. Option B. Flood damage. Option C. Fire damage. Option D. Pest infestation. Correct option is fire damage. Question 3. What does dwelling coverage protect? Option A. Personal vehicles. Option B. The physical structure of the home. Option C. Travel expenses. Option D. Investment accounts. Correct option is the physical structure of the home. Question 4. Which type of coverage protects personal belongings inside a home? Option A. Liability coverage. Option B. Medical payments coverage. Option C. Personal property coverage. Option D. Mortgage coverage. Correct option is personal property coverage. Question 5. What is a deductible in a home insurance policy? Option A. Amount paid by the insurer before a claim. Option B. Amount the homeowner pays before insurance coverage applies. Option C. Annual property tax. Option D. Loan repayment amount. Correct option is amount the homeowner pays before insurance coverage applies. Question 6. Higher deductibles generally result in what? Option A. Higher premiums. Option B. Lower premiums. Option C. No premium change. Option D. Automatic flood coverage. Correct option is lower premiums. Question 7. What does liability coverage in home insurance primarily cover? Option A. Damage to the roof. Option B. Injuries or property damage caused to others. Option C. Home renovations. Option D. Mortgage interest. Correct option is injuries or property damage caused to others. Question 8. Which natural disaster is usually excluded from standard home insurance coverage? Option A. Lightning. Option B. Windstorm. Option C. Flood. Option D. Fire. Correct option is flood. Question 9. What is replacement cost coverage designed to provide? Option A. Current market value only. Option B. Original purchase price. Option C. Cost to replace damaged property with similar new items. Option D. Property tax reimbursement. Correct option is cost to replace damaged property with similar new items. Question 10. Why might a homeowner purchase additional flood insurance? Option A. Because flood damage is commonly excluded from standard policies. Option B. To reduce mortgage payments. Option C. To cover vehicle accidents. Option D. To increase property taxes. Correct option is because flood damage is commonly excluded from standard policies. Question 11. What is an insurance premium? Option A. A claim settlement. Option B. The amount paid for insurance coverage. Option C. A property tax. Option D. A repair estimate. Correct option is the amount paid for insurance coverage. Question 12. Which factor can increase a home insurance premium? Option A. installing security systems. Option B, living in an area with high crime rates. Option C, having a new roof. Option D, bundling policies. Correct option is living in an area with high crime rates. Question 13. What does loss of use coverage help pay for? Option A, mortgage payments. Option B, temporary living expenses after a covered loss. Option C, property taxes. Option D, home upgrades. Correct option is temporary living expenses after a covered loss. Question 14. Which item may require additional coverage due to its high value? Option A, kitchen chair. Option B, television remote. Option C, jewelry collection. Option D, curtains. Correct option is jewelry collection. Question 15. What is actual cash value based on? Option A, replacement cost minus depreciation. Option B, future value. Option C, construction cost only. Option D, mortgage balance. Correct option is replacement cost minus depreciation. Question 16. Why do insurers often require a home inspection? Option A, to determine property risk and condition. Option B, to assess vehicle ownership. Option C, to verify income. Option D, to calculate taxes. Correct option is to determine property risk and condition. Question 17. Which of the following may lower home insurance costs? Option A, filing multiple claims. Option B, installing smoke detectors. Option C, ignoring maintenance. Option D, increasing risk exposure. Correct option is installing smoke detectors. Question 18. What is a policy limit? Option A, maximum amount an insurer will pay. Option B, minimum premium required. Option C, property tax threshold. Option D, mortgage balance cap. Correct option is maximum amount an insurer will pay. Question 19. Which situation is most likely to be denied under standard coverage? Option A, fire damage. Option B, lightning strike. Option C, gradual wear and tear. Option D, wind damage. Correct option is gradual wear and tear. Question 20. What is the purpose of personal liability limits? Option A, to cap insurer payments for liability claims. Option B, to determine taxes. Option C, to reduce mortgage rates. Option D, to calculate property value. Correct option is to cap insurer payments for liability claims. Question 21. Which home feature may qualify for an insurance discount? Option A, broken locks. Option B, security alarm system. Option C, damaged wiring. Option D, leaking roof. Correct option is security alarm system. Question 22. What is an endorsement in home insurance? Option A, a policy modification adding or changing coverage. Option B, a mortgage document. Option C, a tax deduction. Option D, a property appraisal. Correct option is a policy modification adding or changing coverage. Question 23. Why is maintaining accurate home inventory records important? Option A, to increase taxes. Option B, to simplify claims for lost belongings. Option C, to To reduce mortgage payments. Option D. To avoid inspections. Correct option is to simplify claims for lost belongings. Question 24. Which type of damage is often covered by sewer backup endorsements? Option A. Vehicle collision. Option B. Water damage from backed up drains. Option C. Earthquake damage. Option D. Fire damage. Correct option is water damage from backed up drains. Question 25. What is one major advantage of bundling home and auto insurance? Option A. Higher deductibles. Option B. Reduced coverage. Option C. Potential premium discounts. Option D. Mandatory inspections. Correct option is potential premium discounts.